Good morning, everyone. Thank you for joining me. My name is Leone and I'm from Moon Haven in Kuarama. And today I want to talk to you about aromatherapy you can use for flu. Now, as you know, this season's pretty bad with the flu, and we're getting a lot of people coming into Moon Haven about wanting to know how to deal with it. So the first thing we always recommend to people is to use our thieves oil. Thieves oil is fantastic for helping with dealing with viruses, any bacterial situations as well. So if you do get a secondary infection, it's very, very good. Now, primarily we suggest that you diffuse this in a diffuser, just 4 or 5 drops in the diffuser, particularly in a bedroom at night. If you've got a sore throat or something like that, it's really brilliant. If you're traveling around, put 1 drop or 2 drops on a tissue and put it into just tuck it in here where you can smell it often, or if you really need to, put a drop on your hairline, 1 each side. Don't put it on your skin, it is too strong for your skin and it will burn you. So we want to keep it away from your eyes, 1 drop each on each side, and that will help protect you and also help keep your viral load down because of the antivirals in the Thieves essential oil. Now, the other one that we recommend, particularly when you get that sinus congestion and that heady feeling, it can also help with your breathing as well. Hi Tegan, lovely to speak to you again and see you. Is our Breathe Easy Pulse Point Potion. We do make that in a essential oil blend. You can use it in a very similar manner to the Thieves oil in diffusion at night particularly, but this one you can put directly on to your skin. We've diluted it down, and what's so good about the Breathe Easy is it helps to, it sounds really horrible, but helps to liquefy the mucus that's in your sinus and that sort of thing, so you'll start to get a post-nasal drip within about 4 or 5 minutes. The next thing that will happen is it helps to calm the mucous membranes down so they don't produce so much mucus, and the other thing that will happen is helps to open up the airways. And Tegan's asking, would it be safe for use by a 1 and 2 year old? This one, yes, definitely. Now, I don't want to put them directly onto their skin, so if they're wearing jammies or a collar, just put it on their collar here and here. If they've got hair, put it on their hairline. I just don't want this directly on the skin till about 3 years old. So they're the 2 things I recommend for you if you're going to be looking at combating the flu this year. The Thieves oil diffusion, it will help as a preventative and help with the viral load, which is what flu is, and colds, and then the Breathe Easy, which will help with the breathing and sinus conditions. I hope that helps, and I'll get back to you soon. Bye. Hi Nicole, bye. I'm just going, I'll catch up soon.